After opening ndCurveMaster, we load the Excel file with our data. We select the dependent variable y and 5 independent variables x. Next, we click the Advanced Search button to start the curve fitting process. In just a few moments, the program finds the best function. After a short while, a set of top functions is displayed. The RMSE for the initial function was 423, but the best fit achieved an RMSE of 0.02. We can examine residual plots, histograms, and the QQ plot. The QQ plot indicates that the residuals follow a normal distribution. The regression analysis shows that all correlation coefficients are excellent. SE, RMSE, and RRMSE indicate an ideal estimation. The ANOVA results confirm that all predictors are significant. The variance inflation factor, VIF, for all predictors is low, indicating there is no multicollinearity among the variables. The Pearson correlation matrix also supports this, showing no issues with collinearity. Overall, the results suggest that the discovered equation is of high quality.